Today I will show you how to make a generator machine that can get output from 12 volt to 220 volt. For that we are talking a generator motor of 800 watts. These motors are very powerful. Next we need a powerful brushless drone motor. This motor 2415 kV. I took wood like this to set the pitch oil. I have taken separate stand to the mount the generator motor. Attaching a belt for the drone motor to rotate the generator motor. We are talking a 30 ampere ESC to control the drone motor. We will join the 3 wires of the drone motor to the 3 wires to the join ESC. Then take a servo tester to join the ESC. Now we will take a bulb holder. We will connect the 2 wires of the bulb holder to the generator motor. We have now converted such as a lithium battery to 12 volt to drive the drone motor. You can see that after installing the battery, the drone motor is running and the giving output from its generator motor. After running for a while, my lithium battery ran out of the charge. Now I run with the 12 volt power supply. See its output going up to 276 volts. This light 220 volt. We will light a 200 watts filament bulb and see if it works. Yes, now it's 100% works. Up, যেটা কেমন? We will show you that it works 100%. It is not a fake video. You can try it at home very easily if you want. If the video is good, please subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to subscribe, please. Thank you. Thanks for watching and watch this full video.